Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. I'm going to show you a DIY way to make your own illuminators, your own reflectors right here by my pencil eraser. Alright, and I've actually got one up above as well. Alright, this is going to save you a lot of money because you don't need to spend a lot of money on a bunch of equipment that you're not going to be seeing, the public isn't going to see, that's out of the frame. Let's take a closer look at this stuff. Okay, so here's my setup, what I've got on my table right here, doing an extreme close-up shot for my experimental horror film SIJ, It's All About Choice. And with that shot, I'm going to need some illumination. I like to use as much natural light as possible, and however, when I do use some lighting, and later in another video I'll show you some very inexpensive lighting to use, and you can reflect off of these. Let's take a look at how I made them. Okay, so as you can pretty much see, these really are a no-brainer. I've just got some scrap wood lying around in the shop, some nails, and this silver insulation. It also does come in gold as well. And I've just wrapped it around here and nailed it on there. That's it. And I can, these are very portable, very light. I can take them with me when commuting on a location, or best to use also when I'm here at my table and doing things on my own. Let's take a look at the one up above. Okay, as you can see, I've got the insulation again wrapped around a piece of wood, piece of scrap wood, and I've got this one fixated with office clips, because with these office clips right in here, I can really just kind of flip those pieces around to attach it pretty much anything I want to right there. Alright, in this case I've got a bungee clip wrapped all the way around it, that bungee cord, and that's going to hold everything the way I want it to. And I've just got this stand that I use right here and a lot of multi-purpose things. Everything works out very, very well. I've saved myself a lot of money. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for part servicing and questions. The same, bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com. Do click that bell down there and subscribe. And for gory experimental horror films, visit the Morbid Team Entertainment page. You can also catch me faster on Twitter at Paul Morbid. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.